Kadoorie farm. Botanic. What's this? Botanic. Basta, para siyang botanical. So this is it. It's so much fun. It's like, look, and I have my tour guide. It's not actually tour guide because he also don't know how. He's hiding it. And it's so beautiful. It has a beautiful scenery. But unfortunately, there's no Mr. Sun. So it's like, look at it, it's so cloudy out there. See? Yeah. It's just so super cloudy. So that's it. And we are here. We're just going up. Can you see? I don't know if you can see out there. Oh, can you see those things? Over there? Yeah. That is the 360 view. Actually, it would be better when it's sunny. It's just so foggy today. This way. You see? Okay. Let's see the view. Maganda po talaga siyang papasyalan. Hi! Happy New Year too! Manigong bagong taon. Diba? May mga kasama pala tayo dito. Hi! Yes! Welcome to the vlog! Hi!
Hello! Please subscribe!
Yeah! Good! Okay. So, look. Then we are here at the mall. I don't know kung saan po tayo pumupunta po ngayon. But yeah. We are here. Yan. Oh, sorry. It's like we are in the wilderness. Yeah. See? See? And then we have a little kid over here. Hi! Say hello. Hi! Why you're shy? Don't be shy. Yeah. Ooh. Hi once again, may ipapakita po ako sa inyo. Ito po ay si Goddess of Love. Kung wala pong yung mga wala pong love life po dyan. Ayan no. Si Goddess of Love, is it? Yeah, it says wait, I'm going to show you. Alright. Sabi niya, Punyom is the goddess of love and compassion, whose true home is in your heart. The statue of Punyom is based on the form known as the fish basket Punyom. Some of the symbols and gestures are noted below. So, spiritual energy. Huh? Early. Look at this one. Oh no. Look at this one. Ah. Sabi niya, early representation of the crucifixion of Christ. See? And then, ano pang mga ano niya? Alright, so. Oh. Meron pa lang isa. 3 lotus fruits representing 3 dimensions of reality such as past, future, and present. Can you see this one? Past, present, future, or earth, heaven, and hell. Yeah. Alright, so I've just shown you the Goddess of Love. So you can come here to wish. She might give you your beloved partner to be. So funny. Okay, so here we are. Ayan, no? Makikita nyo po yung nandun sa mga, ayan. Ayan, eto pala, sorry. Yung mga yan, those are buildings. Actually, is a place, but I don't know what place is that. Alright? Because we are at the peak. We are on the top of the mountains. Yeah. So maybe I can just show you there. Can you see it? Oh! See, it's just so beautiful. Sorry, medyo magalaw yung video natin. But yes, that's it. So, galing po kami dun po sa pinakababa dyan. And then we went up here. It's supposed to be a hiking. Pero yung ginawa po namin is we rode a bus going up here. Because meron po siyang, dito po sa Kadoorie farm, is meron po siyang entrance fee which is $30. And then if you want to take a bus going up like what we did, you will just have additional $10. So it would be $40 all in all. Yeah, but I think it's worth it. It's worth paying because look at it, it's breathtaking. Yeah, and maybe I suggest when you want to come here, it would be on summer or like there is Mr. Sun out there. Not just like now, it's so foggy, so you really cannot see the beautiful background over there. And now we decided to go down now. Just want to show you this one. See, it's starting to have Mr. Sun, but look at the clouds, so thick. It's totally covered Mr. Sun. Oh my dear. Yeah. So that's it. So for now is we're going down. We're going down. Down, 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 down there. Yes. Can you see? Going down. Super down there. Diyan po sa pinakababa. Sorry, hindi ko na siya maano. Masakit na yung kamay ko. Okay, so welcome back. We are here now to the, I don't know kung saan na po to. But yeah, we're just going down there. Where the man is. Just go down over there. Ah! Grabe. Mahaba-haba po tong lak. Yeah. It's time to do it. Yahoo. Yeah. I just want to say it's really beautiful. Yan, no? Mga bulaklakins. Yeah. Kung sino po ang may gusto po ng nature, feel free to come over here. It's really... See? Dewdrops. Look how fresh the flowers are. Why? My man is just laughing at me. What I'm doing. My man. Look. Knock knock. Say who's there? Johan Lee. Johan Lee who? I don't know. I don't know anong katuloy nun. Amazed. Sabi nga, you can see God through nature and you really can see Him. How He loves Him. How He loves us. Knock knock. Thank you. The princess is coming in. Oh my. Sorry for that. Convent garden daw po. I don't know what's this all about. Convent garden. Alright, so here we are once again. Dito na ulit tayo sa Rainbow Pavilion daw po. I don't know. Let's see. Yes, so this is it. Ikakasal po ulit siya. Han, I said they're getting married again. Excuse me. Can I go down first? Can I go down first? Ayaw niya akong paraanin. Excuse me. I did not close it. Pinapakita ko lang po yung daan. Rainbow Pavilion, right? So this is the way to Rainbow Pavilion. See? It's just a beautiful scenery. So maybe this is what you call the Rainbow Pavilion. Look at over there. Huh. It's just a wonderful thing. They have a lot of stairs to walk. Maganda po talaga po to for exercise. Here it comes. Nanginginig na yung kamay ko. Ooh! Rainbow Pavilion. Han, can you hold this up? Alright. So, hi! Can you see me over here? Yes, hello. Can you see? So, this is what you call the Rainbow Pavilion. I don't know why it's called rainbow. Does it have a rainbow color? No, not really. Yeah. But welcome to my pavilion. Yeah, this is my pavilion. So welcome, have fun. Why? You're just focusing me. Alright. So outside the pavilion, there is a mini falls. Mini falls daw po ang tawag dyan. Ewan ko ba kung mini falls ba yan o hindi. So, yeah, that's it. So you have seen my pavilion already, together with my man. Hi. Hello. I'm just going to tour you over here to my second level of my pavilion. Yes or no? Ayan po. Parang nandito po tayo sa ano ngayon? Jungle. So, kanina, nasa taas po tayo sa aking pavilion over there. And ito po yung mini falls. Yeah. So, this is it. This is it. Yeah. There it is. It's really beautiful. If you really want to, go somewhere that is calming, you can come here. But it's quite far because it's in Taiwo. Tapos, you still need to ride a bus coming here. But it's not quite so long. Yeah. And then going down. Ito po yung mga owl.
Oh, 你又揾咗啊？係咪啊？
Pag nakikita niyo po ba yung dalawang yun? Those are eagles. Eagles daw sila eh. Sorry, masyado po siyang malayo. And I cannot even zoom in my camera. Yeah. Yeah. You try to spot where? Tumae po siya. So gross, birdie. You cannot even see its face. Oh, yeah, that's bird. Pero nakatalikod po siya, so we cannot see properly. Quite so far. Yan po yung isa. Wow. Super cute. Is it blurred? Hello, can you see me over here? So this is, we are almost done with our tour. No, I think just stay there. Stand here. Just stay there, hon. Welcome. So I just want to go in there. Oh, is it? You said no? It's a quick one. It's really beautiful and it's refreshing. See? Maybe you can even drink the water over here. I don't know. Maybe this is a stream or a pond. Yeah, that's it. Just showing off. Yeah. So. Can you see this one? Ouch! So that is a mini stream. Yes. Okay. So here it is. So, palayas na po tayo sa magandang tanawin. There's a nature walk. But we're almost there, so we're going out here. Ito po yung maganda. Pero sabi niya, new entry. Han, it says no entry. Which one is no entry? Where? Here? So yan, no? Sabi po niya, no entry. But we don't know which one is no entry. If this is it. See? Parang sa ano lang to. Sa Pilipinas, yung may bahay sa taas ng puno. Ang pagkakaiba lang, hindi po to nasa puno. Nasa ibabaw lang siya ng something on the pole. See? I think that is a dragon. Dragon. Ano. At nang kasama ko po ay lumayas na. And we're going down here. Maganda po talaga siya. It's really good for you to try. This is my first time to come here. Really, really, really my first time. So we're going back now. Diba ang gaganda ng kanilang mga bulaklak? See? And then the punong kahoy. Punong kahoy. Para siyang coconut tree. But I'm not sure if it is a coconut tree. And here it goes. Ito po yung way. There we go. peekaboo. Okay, so what's in here? What do we have in here? Wow. I thought it's a toilet a while ago. Look. Where are the fishes? Oh, okay. Can you see those fishes? Wow. It is super. Mga maliliit po sila. It's just an aquarium. Woo. What's that? Okay, gotta come here later. Wait. So where are we? Thai motion. Are we in Thai motion? What?
Yes.
Where? This one? This one? Where? Oh. Nandito kami ngayon. Saan nga ba to? Where's this? Thai. Yeah. Yan po ang mapa niya. So, what do they have in here? Hi! You can see me over here. Hello. Hello. Tubig lang po to. And I'm just taking a video of some... Ooh. I don't know what kind of... It's like a lot... No. It's like a shrimp. Excuse. Hi. Ah, this is wonderful. Can you see my friend here? I found a new friend over here. It's the tortoise. See the tortoise? Big head turtle. Oh, it said it's big-headed turtle. Oo nga naman. Malaki nga naman siya. Yung ulo niya lang palang malaki. Ayan. Those are the legs over there. It's just looking at me. Hi. Hello. Look at the beak. It's like the beak of an owl or a bird. It's totally have a beak. That's the only turtle, only one. Ilalim po yan ng tubig. And then no more? Oh, they just have one turtle only. Oh, this one are seashells. Oh, and do you know what's that? Pero, Pond. Eh, wala na, nagtago na po siya. Prawns is a prawn. Okay, finish na dito. So, palabas na kami. Taran!
What is?
A snake! Oh my goodness! This one don't have a snake. No, there's none. Where? Where? This is a real turtle.
No, snake.
No, I mean a snake. It's not a real one.
Yes, a real one.
Is it? But doesn't. It's like a plastic.
You see?
Okay,
It's
that's a
called
snake.
Misha.
Okay. The name is Misha. Of that snake. This one is where the small turtle is. Can you see that small turtle over there? Yeah, spotted. Because I spotted. I actually asked if where is it because I cannot see it properly. And just a trivia for the snake and for this kind of turtle and the gecko and the other else. The room is warm compared to the previous one. Yeah. Wow! What's this? Leopard? Leopard cat. So this is a leopard cat. Nag-iisa nga lang siya. Look! Wow! Okay, bye! Bye, leopard cat. Gisa lang siya, wala po siyang asawa. There is a deer hiding under there. Yes, that's a deer. Hello, deer. Wow. Small one yet. Oh, pumasok na po siya sa bahay niya. Bye-bye. Ito naman po, there is a cat over there. Can you spot it? Yeah, there's a cat. Is it a cat? I'm not sure. It says Lula. Date of birth. Aba, pinanganak si Lula noong January 2015. Okay. Sana ulit si Lula. Hello, there's Lula over there. Yeah. There's a deer. He's coming in. No, don't. Look at the deer. Yung deer po, trivia, it needs a light. Maybe the deer needs a, what do you call that? Maybe warm. I don't know what you call it. Oh, this deer has a lonely eyes. Hi. Hello. As that deer panted on, the waters of my soul, down yet let it be. Yeah, that's the song of the deer. So we are here after the animals, and we are here at Eco Garden. Look. Uh-oh. That's the door. Then going into there. It's a beautiful flowers. Beautiful flowers. Look. Little flowers never worry. And the flowers may wither, the plants may wither, but the word of God will prevail. Yeah. And then it became black. But may it be that our soul this 2020 will not be as dark as this, but as beautiful as this. Yeah. Oh, look at this pet chai. Pet chai po siya. Pet chai ba to? No, pet chai yan eh. Oh, this is beetroot. This is mustard. And garlic. Oh, sorry. Ay! Pumunta po siya sa mukha ko. Ang sama. Alright, so what's this one? Honey, you know what's this? I don't know too. What? White carrot? But it's brown. And this one, alam ko po to, sweet peas. Diba? Sweet peas. Alright. Yes. Oh, I want to go. Look at this one. See? Ah, so yummy. Kasi pumunta po sila sa strawberry farm, tomato farm. We are in the tomato farm. Eco Garden. That's it. Ay, ito, masarap siyang kainin. Pwede bang kukunin yun? Kapag sa Pilipinas lang to eh.
我只係呢個冇得。嗰隻花。
I think this one is carrot.
佢度都睇到啊，呢度睇到嘅。嗱，好多條啊。不過呢啲咧買豆苗就唔好買啲嗱反面教材啊，全部係好得好緊要嘅荷蘭
Sarap
條。
nilang kainin.
唔係買豆苗係要細條啲，呢啲咁大個咧係好韌啊，啃喉嘅。呢啲咁粗啲咧就唔，而家佢長到豆就唔食得㗎。通常你長豆苗咧係未有豆之
Na-miss
前
ko po to nung kabataan ko. Ganito po yung tanim namin.
有
Agtod-tod tayo, iti. Nateng. Kamote. Kamote shoot. And the banana! Yes. Buwis buhay pala talagang mag-video dito ah. See? Ganun lang talaga yan. Yeah. So, ano lang you see the gumamela? See? The gumamela flower. 1, 2, 3, 10. Alright. Nakikita niyo po yun? Ang ka-date ko, naghihintay na po siya sa akin, so I need to go. It's my date. Oh no! Oh no! Someone went with my boyfriend. Yes! So here it is. This is my boyfriend. He's just been waiting for me quite a long time. Meet my boyfriend. The name is, come here, Sir Horace Kadoorie. Oh, the name. Is the founder. My boyfriend, look at the nose. It's so matangos siya. Right? So nice meeting you, Mr. Kadoorie. But he's been dead, but bye-bye, and thank you for watching. This is a Kadoorie Farm Botanic. I don't know what it is, but it's Kadoorie Farm. Thank you everyone, and bye-bye. God bless and happy